Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Tesla Cybertruck door. The Cybertruck's design is quite distinctive, and that extends to its doors. Unlike most vehicles, you won't find any traditional handles on the exterior. Instead, Tesla has integrated a sleek, button-activated system that maintains the truck's futuristic and minimalist aesthetic. This approach ensures a clean, uninterrupted surface, aligning perfectly with its unique stainless steel exoskeleton. Let's dive into the specifics of how this innovative system works. To open a Cybertruck door from the outside, simply locate the small, flush-mounted button. This button is subtly integrated on the pillar to the right of each door, blending seamlessly with the vehicle's body. Give it a firm press, and you'll feel the door latch release. The door will then pop out slightly, allowing you to easily grasp the edge and pull it open. This innovative design is consistent across all 4 passenger doors, ensuring a uniform and futuristic experience. Opening the Cybertruck door from the inside is much more conventional and intuitive. You'll find a designated interior door open button. Simply press this button, and the door will unlatch, allowing you to push it open. This familiar mechanism ensures a quick and easy exit, prioritizing user convenience and safety. It's a thoughtful blend of futuristic exterior design with practical interior functionality. Beyond the physical buttons, the Cybertruck offers convenient remote access options. Your phone, when set up as a key, will automatically unlock the doors as you approach the vehicle. Similarly, the Tesla mobile app provides full remote control, allowing you to open the doors with a simple tap on your smartphone. These features offer significant convenience, especially when approaching the vehicle with your hands full, enhancing the overall user experience with modern technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.